In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Nordvpn on Linux in just a few minutes. Whether you're looking to enhance your online security or access region-restricted content, installing a VPN on your Linux system is a great choice. And I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Nordvpn website. Using your preferred web browser, navigate to the Nordvpn download page. This is where you can access a slew of resources, including apps and extensions, across various platforms. Once on the page, locate and click on the Login button. If you haven't already set up a Nordvpn account, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. Having an account is essential, as it gives you access to the necessary software and secure server connections. After you've logged in, you'll be directed to your account overview page. From this dashboard, keep a lookout for a section that mentions downloads. This area serves as the central hub where you can obtain all of Nordvpn's software offerings. Click on Download to view the available options. Next, you'll need to select the VPN solution that's appropriate for your desktop. This part is crucial because it determines the specific software package you'll be downloading. You'll usually find choices for different operating systems here, ranging from Windows to Mac OS. Look for the option labeled for Linux. This is the software package that we need for our installation. Click on Linux to proceed. Once you've clicked on Linux, the process is nearly there. You should now see a link to download the Linux client specifically. Download it and save it somewhere easily accessible on your device. Usually, it's recommended you choose a location like your Downloads folder for simplicity. As a brief tip, while the file is downloading, consider checking if your system meets the necessary requirements for Nordvpn's client. Having the latest version of your distribution installed can avoid some compatibility issues. Most Linux distributions, like Ubuntu or Fedora, should be conventional with the package provided. But it never hurts to double-check. After the download is complete, you simply double-click the installation package and proceed with the installation by following any on-screen instructions provided. This typically involves executing a command to allow the package manager of your Linux distribution to install the software. It's straightforward, and you should be ready to use Nordvpn within moments. There you have it. You've successfully installed Nordvpn on your Linux system, and you're now all set to enjoy safer, more private browsing. All that's left to do is launch the application, log in with your account details if prompted, and connect to a server of your choice. If at any stage you encounter an issue or require assistance, Nordvpn's customer support is available around the clock. Thanks for listening, and happy browsing.